My million salutes to the feet of Shri Krishna. Today I will tell you about the principle of Gita. After listening to this principle, you will definitely feel like reading Gita. In the previous video, I have told you what Gita is, how many chapters does it have, how many verses are there. I told about its guide. In the second video, I told about the teachings of Shrimad Bhagavad Gita. In today's video, I will tell some of its basic principles. If you want to read, listen or understand Gita from beginning to end, I have made the pronunciation of each word of Shrimad Bhagavad Gita in the simplest form in both Hindi and English languages, so that you can get the pure knowledge of Gita in this terrible Kali Yuga. So stay connected with me. If you want to know about the knowledge and right guidance of Gita, then stay connected with me. To stay connected with me, you will have to follow or subscribe me, so that whenever I upload a new video, you can see it. So I tell you some principles of Bhagavad Gita. According to Gita, every person should evaluate himself. This is very important. It is said in the Gita that anger creates confusion and it makes the mind restless. According to the Gita, we should respect everyone without any acceptations. Keep in mind whether that person is younger or older than you. According to the Gita, we are an integral part of God and are empowered by Him. According to the Gita, our happiness should not be at the cost of others. What did I say? Our happiness should not be at the cost of others. According to the Gita, we need to live in harmony with everyone, friend. According to the Gita, character will be built by living in the world like a lotus flower and by doing noble deeds. According to the Gita, we should understand the individual self as a part of the universal self or the universe. According to the Gita, any man who adopts all things of the Shrimad Bhagavad Gita and implement them in his life, he becomes free from all sorrows. According to the Gita, the present commitment should not be mortgaged for an uncertain future. According to the principle of the Gita, while discharging one's accepted duty, one should stay away from selfishness and greed for profit. Its method is the principle in the Bhagavad Gita. The path of light and the path of darkness have been described as two types of life path. The path of light is the path that leads a man towards salvation, whereas the path of darkness traps a person in the cycle of rebirth. What did I say? The path of darkness traps a person in the cycle of rebirth. The basis of the path of light is knowledge and wisdom. Disinterested work does not bind us. Only this can liberate us. These works are done only with the feeling of work, not with the feeling of getting the result. Disinterested work is the basis of Shrimad Bhagavad Gita. This is also the basis of not doing work with the feeling of the result of the entire Indian philosophy. According to the principle of Gita, education is that which helps in realizing the God present in a person, such as attachment to work, teacher-student relationship, development of curriculum virtues, faith, etc. The main objective of research is to find a solution to the problem. Its essence is that all the goods in the whole world, all are one good. There are only one vibhuti. All the virtues and vices of men are form of God's power. What did I say? All the virtues and vices of men are form of God's power. It may be difficult to explain the gods and goddesses intellectually, but they are present in the world. They are fully present. Some are worshipping the people tree, some are worshipping the mountain, some the river, some the sea, some the fishes and turtles living in them. This is how the principle of Bhagavad Gita ends here in this video. Whatever you like my video, let me know in the comment box. The crux of the matter. Join me and watch one video every day. This Shrimad Bhagavad Gita will change your whole life. There is so much unlimited power in this Shrimad Bhagavad Gita. Thank you very much with love.